So alphabet contains A and B. Format of string is W1A W2. Length of W1 is exactly 2. Length of W2 is greater than or equal to 3. So this part exactly equal to 2, greater than or equal to 3. You have to read that part carefully. So let's draw the DFA. So first we should have exactly two symbols. So here we can have A or B, here we can have A or B. So this part is W1. After that we must get A. If B comes, we should reach to trap state. So this is trap state. And then condition for W2 is greater than or equal to 3. So 1, 2 and 3. So here we can have A or B, here we can have A or B, here we can have A or B, and the condition is greater than or equal to 3. Here we add a loop. This becomes final state. So this part including the loop is W2. So this is required DFA. W1 A and then W2. W2 includes the loop. If B comes, it reaches to trap state. So there are total 8 states required in the DFA. Minimal DFA answer is 8. Solving this problem is easy if you understand the question. There is a DFA given, there are two formulas, and the problem statement is also little bit lengthier. But you should understand that every information given in the problem is some input which you can use to reach the answer. Now they have given formula for order of the language. L power k is equal to L power k plus 1. K is order of the language, and you have to find order of the language of the DFA. So what is language of the DFA? So L1. So epsilon is accepted by the language, accepted by DFA. Initial state is final state. So epsilon is part of L1. After epsilon, 0 is accepted. What about 0 power 2? So 0, 0 non-final state. 0 power 2 is not part of the language. Then 0, 0, 0, 0 power 3, and after that 0 power 5, 0 power 7 and so on. So this is L1. So what is L1 power 0? Now according to formula, L1 power 0 is epsilon. So what is L1 power 1? It is L1 power 1 minus 1 dot L1. This is L1 power 0 dot L1. What is L1 power 0? It is epsilon according to the formula. Dot L1. L1 is this epsilon 0, 0 power 3, 0 power 5 and so on. So we have to calculate this concatenation. Epsilon concatenated with any language is the language itself. So this is epsilon 0, 0 power 3, 0 power 5 and so on. Epsilon dot epsilon gives epsilon, epsilon dot 0 gives 0, epsilon dot 0 power 3 gives 0 power 3 and so on. So this is L1 power 1. What is L1 power 2? According to formula, it is L1 power 2 minus 1 dot L1. This is L1 power 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 dot L1. So this is L1 power 1 which we have calculated. Epsilon 0, 0 power 3, 0 power 5 and so on dot L1. So L1 is epsilon 0, 0 power 3, 0 power 5 and so on. Now we have to calculate this concatenation. So epsilon dot any language is the language itself. So first we calculate epsilon dot epsilon, epsilon dot 0 and so on. So we get epsilon 0, 0 power 3, 0 power 5. So after 0 power 5 there will be odd powers of 0. Now we will take 0 and concatenate with the language. So 0 dot epsilon is 0, 0 dot 0 is 0 power 2, 0 dot 0 power 3 is 0 power 4, then 0 power 6 and so on. So the string 0 is repeated over here. Here we get all odd powers of 0. Here we get all even powers of 0. So L1 power 2 is epsilon 0, 0 power 2, 0 power 3, 0 power 4 and so on. So L1 power 2, it contains epsilon 0, 0 power 2. It means it contains all the powers of 0. So this is actually sigma star. The alphabet contains only 0. So L1 power 2 is sigma star. Even if we calculate L1 power 3, we will not get any more strings. So L1 power 3 has to be L1 power 2. So here we can write it other way. N1 power 2 is equal to L1 power 3 is equal to L1 power 2 plus 1. So we get order of the language as 2. So the answer is 2. Now in this question it is given that alphabet contains 0 and 1 and minimal DFA of the language L, it contains k states. Now we have studied that for a given language L, if M is minimal DFA, then for complement of the language also M complement is minimal DFA. Now when we calculate M complement for M, we simply interchange final states to non-final states and non-final states to final states. So number of states remain the same. So if minimal DFA M contains k states, then M complement also contains k states. Now if you look at option C, it is 0, 1 star minus L, and this is sigma star. So this equation becomes sigma star minus L, and sigma star minus L is L complement. So if minimal DFA of L contains k states, minimal DFA of 0, 1 star minus L, which is L complement, it also contains k states. So correct option is option C. Now if you observe DFA M, then DFA M accepts all strings ending with A. It rejects all strings not ending with A. So if we consider language of DFA M, then it accepts all strings ending with A. Now you should note that epsilon is not part of language of M. Similarly for DFA N, it accepts all strings ending with B. Here also epsilon is not part of the language. So any string, it can either end with A or it can end with B. So it will be either part of L of M or it will be part of L of N. It cannot be part of both. So L of M intersection L of N is empty set or phi, and the DFA for empty set, it contains only one state. That one state is trap state. It is non-final state and trap state. So DFA for minimal DFA for this language, it contains only one state. Answer is 1.